Hey loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another Pinkmas inspired video. We're going to be decorating my vanity for Christmas. I want to go through and totally clean out all of my makeup and pull my Christmas palettes and of course put some Christmas touches on my vanity. I always decorate my vanity every year, so I'm a little behind this year and we need to get some Christmas vibes going on the vanity. So before we hop in, if you're new here, hi, I'm Lindsay. I love to film pretty much anything pink girly. I film makeup, fashion, lifestyle, shopping vlogs. So if that's something you're into, definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Other than that, you guys know the drill. Grab you a hot cocoa, grab you a snack, grab you a coffee, whatever is your jam, and let's hang out. Anything that can be linked will be linked in my description box. And other than that, let's just go ahead and hop straight in. So we're going to start off by adding some really cute touches. I got this sign from Michael's and I thought it would be really cute underneath my big satin bow. So I'm going to pull some Christmas palettes first out of my pack system. I know I've got some Too Faced ones in here. That's probably like the majority of my Christmas ones. Let's see what we've got. Definitely this one. I think all of these were from last year's collection or maybe the year before. But they're all Christmas palettes. So we're going to take these. These new Too Faced ones that I got last week in PR. These gingerbread ones. This one smells so good. Are these the same one? Okay, that one's regular spice. This one is extra spicy. This Christmas coffee one, it's so cute. This one from Beauty Creations, this Nutcracker palette. Really pretty shades. Before we can get to the fun part, I'm going to go through and pull all of this makeup out that's not staying and kind of reorganize what I'm going to be using. I pulled these two palettes out because I totally forgot when I closed this drawer. Since I have this right there, you can't see the palettes, so we're going to display them over there and start on that drawer. This one turned out really cute. Okay, so I got all the makeup organized and stuff, and I put that really cute Nutcracker ballet sign up. I think it goes perfect with the bow. I wanted to keep the little green tree, but I couldn't find two of them, so I think it would look off with just one over there. So I pulled these bow trees that I found at Home Goods, and I think I'm going to put two of these on each side and see how that looks. These are so adorable. I had them on my pack system, but I think we're going to put them on the vanity because everything is going to be Coquette and ballet themed over here. And then I got this really cute Bath & Body Works tray. I showed you guys this in my last haul. I think I uploaded it on Pink Wednesday, but it's that Emily in Paris bow tray. And I pulled some stuff to put in it to display. I think this would be really cute with the bow stuff. I have this little gold organizer that I keep a lot of my like lipsticks I wear, and then I got this room spray and some more lip gloss, some Glow Recipe. I'm going to put my staples back up and then bring some more Christmas decor over. I've been loving this body spray from Pink. It's the warm cookie one, so let me keep that up here. I have a whole mess over here of stuff I pulled off the vanity, but up here I've got these two cute Coquette trees that I found at Home Goods. So I think we're going to bring these over to the vanity, and possibly this Nutcracker right here. I'm so sad. He used to light up and he had a battery under here, but I can't get him fixed, so I have this really cute brush holder that I got from TJ Maxx with SL Glam brushes in it. Okay, I was going through my Christmas tubs. I found this snowflake garland that I had last year around my vanity. I'm going to untangle it and put it up. And then I have some other type of Christmas garland. So we're going to do a little bit more around the vanity mirror, if I can get this untangled. Next up, I put one of my favorite candles from Bath & Body Works, Champagne Toast, these gorgeous hand mirrors and brush from Flower Knows Beauty, and this little coaster from Temu, and then this really cute notepad from Shop Pink Princess, and the pen is from With Love Shop. So here's what we have so far. I got the snowflake garland up and added some ribbons to it. We got our candles out and everything, and then some of my daily makeup I use. And of course, the cup is just for looks. Normally though, I do have a Christmas cup sitting there with some coffee in the morning, girl, because you got to have your caffeine. But I really like the way everything turned out. I thought I had more Christmas makeup than what I did. Honestly, I thought I had more Too Faced palettes. I don't know if I've just gotten rid of some over the years or what, but I could have swore that I had more. This drawer over here, I never did show you guys. It's just kind of random. That's a new Too Faced palette, some P. Louise, some Flower Knows Beauty, and then some of my jewelry. So I just kind of kept that the same. This drawer did really turn out cute. It's not super Christmassy, but I kind of like the theme. I've got a lot of Too Faced in there, some MAC. This is one of my favorite MAC holiday palettes right here when they came out with the bows on them. I think it's an eyeshadow palette. Some Polite Society, and then just some random Too Faced and Dior. But I think that drawer turned out super cute. The theme I was really trying to go with was the Nutcracker Ballet, and I think I kind of got that across. So I'm glad I got the vanity knocked out, and I still have the rest of my beauty room to do. I've not gotten all of that done yet. So now that I've got this done, I've got my tree up, I can finish decorating. I don't have too much more to do. I just need to do my closet.
Santa baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
Okay, loves, if you made it to this point in the video, drop me some little Christmas tree emojis down below. Definitely let me know what you think about the vanity. If you guys have any tips on anything you think I should add. You guys always give me some really good advice. So if you have anything that you know that I need to add, let me know down in the comments. By the way, I know everybody is really busy this time of year. I know you guys are probably shopping. Everybody has a lot going on. So if you missed last Pink Wednesday's upload, I did a girly haul, and then I also did my Christmas tree decorate with me. If you're new here and you guys want to catch up on that, I'll link it down in the description box. Also, anything that I show in my video, I always try to link so you guys can shop that if you want to. That'll be linked there as well. I've got these cozy PJs on, and it is like 40 degrees where I'm at today. It is almost supper time, so I think I'm gonna go get cozy with my fam, put Home Alone on, and play with my puppy, and just kind of chill out and have a cozy night in. So I hope you guys all have a great rest of your weekend and a wonderful week. I will see you guys this coming week with a shopping vlog. We are gonna go hit all of these stores, so be prepared to shop. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications if you haven't already. That way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And other than that, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me, and I will see you back here on my next one. Bye, loves.